Welcome to my unboxing video of my Ruby card, which is my crypto.com card where I get 2% cash back on pretty much everything I spend my money on, which I've had to stake £300 for. So naturally I'm quite excited to see what the packaging looks like and also what the card is like as well. They did a really good job on the packaging. Certainly feels very premium. I also love that it's a hexagon shape. This is a very interesting design. I absolutely adore crypto.com's logo. And look how cool that is. It's really satisfying. I have no idea how they've managed to make it. I didn't realise until afterwards, but I could have very easily pushed down and slid the card out. But there we go, we're in the packaging. So now I'm just checking that it is made out of metal, and it's really heavy, which I was quite surprised about. It's about double the thickness of a plastic card. And there we go, my Ruby card. If you'd like to get your hands on one, make sure you check my link in the description below. I hope you have a fantastic day. Sending you peace and love. Goodbye.